This is the Web of Science DOI Full Text and Saving Tools video. So far in this video series, we have conducted a keyword search and found a research article. We then evaluated the database record for that article and determined that it is both a primary source and that it is a scholarly article. This video in this series will cover how to access the full text of that scholarly article, some different methods to save and access the database record at a later time, and the importance of DOIs. Sometimes when we discover articles in a database, we don't want to save the PDF right away. We may not be on our own computers, we don't have access to a printer, or we maybe just want to build up a list of potentially relevant scholarly articles for us to reference later. If you find yourself in this situation, you should at least take note of the article's DOI. DOI stands for Digital Object Identifier. DOIs are strings of numbers and letters that are unique to articles, just like the number on your credit card or driver's license is unique to your bank account or you. You can keep a list of DOIs in a research journal for quick and easy access, as DOIs can be searched in Google, Google Scholar, and many library databases to help you navigate back to the database record for a particular article. Note that having a DOI does not mean you have access to the full text article. A DOI will generally take you to a version of a database record, like the ones we have examined in the Web of Science core collections this far in the series. To conduct a search using a DOI in Web of Science, you first need to double-check that you are searching the Web of Science core collection. Next, we can search the database using the DOI by changing the search box limiter to DOI. Then, in the search box, you need to enter your DOI. We'll use the DOI from the past article we've been examining. Then go ahead and click Search. Click into the title of the article to view its database record. Since Web of Science is only an indexing database, it does not have full-text articles within it like some other databases you may be used to using. If you want to get full-text access to the article in order to print, save, or export it, you can find options to do that through the University of Illinois at the top of the database record. The Discover Full Text button that is navy with white lettering is the button that you want to click first. Other options, like Find Full Text from Publisher and Google Scholar, can be helpful if the Discover Full Text button does not work. But for now, let's click the Discover Full Text button. Clicking this button should take you to a Discover screen. On this screen, you want to start at the top and click the red Go buttons until you find access to the full text article. If you do encounter problems on the screen, please ask a librarian for assistance in finding the full text. Once you find the full text, often as a PDF, you will want to download it and save it to your computer. But just in case you aren't on your personal machine, there are other tools you can use besides the DOI to send yourself the database record for a particular article. Next to the Find Full Text options in the database record, you will see a printer icon and an envelope icon. The printer icon will allow you to choose which parts of the database record you want to either save as a PDF or print, and the envelope icon will send you the whole database record as an email. Web of Science allows you to also export database record information into EndNote. If you use a citation management software, you can go ahead and click on this drop-down menu and select your citation management software in order to export the full record of the database into EndNote. You may be prompted to log into EndNote through Web of Science. If you need additional help with exporting database information into a citation management software, please remember to ask a librarian. These are just several of the ways that you can use to find the full text, access the database article record again using a DOI, or saving a database article record for future use and discovery in your research process. If you need help locating a DOI or a full text version of an article, please remember to ask a librarian.